Hello and welcome to a new episode of a series called Make It Sweet. Today I will be making pumpkin spice mini cheesecakes. If you like anything pumpkin spice and cheesecake, this is going to be your favorite dessert for life. It only takes 10 minutes to make and 15 minutes to bake for you to enjoy anytime. Let's get started. First, you want to finely chop some pecans. Place into a bowl. And combine with cookie crumbs and granulated sugar. Give it a whisk. And add melted butter. Now mix well until completely combined. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. A new recipe is posted every week for you to become a better home baker. Use a cupcake baking sheet line with cupcakes liner. And add 1 full tablespoon of cookie mixture in each cup. Press well until nice and firm. And refrigerate for about 30 minutes. Let's make the cheesecake filling. In a medium-sized bowl, combine pumpkin puree, light brown and granulated sugar, add 1 egg, cinnamon, pumpkin spice, and vanilla. Grate some fresh nutmeg and using a whisk, combine those ingredients until nicely incorporated. And set aside. In a separate bowl, using a handheld mixer, mix some cream cheese at room temperature until nice and creamy. Combine with the pumpkin mixture and mix until fully incorporated. As last ingredient, add cornstarch. And mix well. Grab the cheesecake base from the refrigerator and using an ice cream scoop, fill the cups with the cream cheese filling. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Once they are baked, let it cool down on the counter and then let it sit in the refrigerator for at least 5 hours or overnight. When ready, peel the liner off and place on a plate. Using the recipe in the description box below, make some whipping cream. Add your whipping cream on top of the mini cheesecakes. Add some caramelized pecans, but you can also use some regular pecans. And dust with some cinnamon. And here you have it, your delightful, creamy and full of flavor pumpkin spice mini cheesecakes. Let me know what you think about this recipe in the comment section below, and remember to share, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next week with a new recipe.